Hi, hello, and welcome back to a new video. Today I will show you step by step how to create 30 pages of kids book with one prompt, and you will create such an amazing images first, but also amazing text without doing anything by yourself. So at first I was doing things like this. I was creating the images and then I put manually this. But now with this prompt, you will get every single thing written inside the image. But also, I will show you like this old uh template, let's say, that I was doing or strategy that I was using. But now I will show you something amazing. With this prompt, you will create every single thing from scratch with prompt with AI. So like this, for example, you will get images pages, all the pages, like for example here I pasted the prompt that I will show you from where I got it, and then it gave me page one with the title and stuff, but also page two with the image and the title and the writing and stuff. So every single thing will be amazing. I'm sorry for my internet, it's so low, super low, but yeah, you will get images like this for all pages. As you can see here, the fifth image is here, but the fourth is not. So yeah, so this prompt I got it from. By the way, look at this amazing book too. It's very good, and it's all made by this prompt. So this prompt is coming from darkdiary.com. You can write darkdiary.com/create a 30-page storybook for kids for free, or I will put it in the description box and in the first comment so you can just find it easily. Okay, so you will go a little bit down until you find full master prompt 2026 domination version. It's amazing and so easy to use. You will just copy paste it, and here you will insert the topic that you are talking about or you want this book is to talk about. Okay, so here you will just write the topic, and now let's read the prompt. So the prompt is talking about creating a complete 30-page children book or picture book based on this topic. And please do not put output images links or output markdown images tag or writing URLs or whatever. However, the requirements are to generate the actual image for every page, as you can see here. So my computer. So for each page, it gives you the story text, but also the generated image. Okay, and then the format is book title, then page one, the story text, and then the image, etc., etc. And in the image rules, I want every page a real generated image, one image at a time, not the same picture, but also I wanted exact 8.5 multiplied by 8.5 square ratio. Why this? Because KDP told us to do the pages for 30 pages books like this. So this is the cover. As you can see here, the real book is 8.5 inches, okay? Of course, multiplied by 8.5 inches. However, if you will create covers like this, by the way, you can watch the other video. I already did a tutorial about how to do or create a very, very good covers, and I will put it anyways. So it should be with this ratio, okay? So that's why we told him to do this. And then I want it to be print ready quality because, you know, they really, really, really want to be the books with the good quality. And also the story text will should be inside the images because as I told you, oops, I don't want you to do the same strategy that I was doing, which is like adding every text by yourself. All right. Okay, I will not read it all, even it's done. So after that, you will get these amazing stories or this amazing images. So you will just copy. And of course, I will send you this template because this is the template that KDP told us to create 30 books be like or should be like with these measurements and stuff. Okay, so you will just copy it. Oops. Okay, let's copy again. And why? Okay, then download it. I think I have one here. I think I already, okay. So you will put it here and then just drag it a little bit and it will be fit in the frame, okay? Because it should be like this. Again, I will share with you this template because it will make it easier for you to do everything. Yeah, just put every single image in the correct page and that's it. You will have your book. Everything will be amazingly good. However, if you didn't I don't know, because by the way, here I'm using the Gemini Pro. If you don't have the Gemini Pro, it's all right. You can just use Gemini free, but I don't know if it will generate the 30 pages honestly. If not, you can use Canva. So here you will go a little bit down, Magic Media, and you will write anything here, like to describe what should be in the photo. I will give you another prompt anyways, but it should be smaller. And let's say a girl with a red cat. Whatever. Wait a little bit until it generates. It's so good, by the way. And I think for free version it gives you some like credits and stuff, so it's really good. Okay, so this is the image. You will put it here and then write here or here, whatever you want. So let's just write anything here. Yeah, story, right here. The story or whatever. So it's easy, it's good. However, this looks better, you know. It looks better, but you can also write without this frame. I don't know. I used to like the frame. I don't know why. But yeah, this is better. So the prompt makes it easy for you to do the book and to create the book. So yeah, this is for today. Again, I told you if you want to watch the video for how to create a cover. You can just watch it. I will put it also in the description, anyways. And yeah, thank you for watching. Bye bye.